Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video we're gonna learn about how to sell on Stockx. So if you're not familiar with Stockx, this is a marketplace where buyers and sellers can make anonymous offers on a wide variety of current culture items such as sneakers, streetwear, electronics, and collectibles based both on items' current valuation on the site, but also how much you're willing to sell it. So its anonymous nature aims to make buying and selling a hassle-free experience since buyers can see the lowest available sale price and sellers see the highest available buying offer. So here we could go ahead and try to sell in here, get paid, and repeat on StockX. So you could sell quick with zero BS. Just search for your product and set your price. You won't need to take product pictures, share personal information, or negotiate with potential buyers. You could reach millions. Our global reach extends to millions of customers in over 200 countries and territories. So you're guaranteed to discover someone who can't wait to purchase the item you're selling, and you could unlock rewards as well since they pride themselves on having some of the lowest commission rates in the industry and they want to share the thanks for making it happen. So the more you sell, the lower your rate is. So to start selling, therefore easy step for that. No approval needed, just sign up and sell. Your earnings, your rules. All you have to do is select a payout method and currency from the available option. Create a smarter listing, decide on when to sell and how to sell using the historical sales data for every item on the marketplace. Ship your sold items since they require that you send the sold item within 2 business days. Simply print the label we send and follow the shipping guidelines for that to ensure your products arrive safely to the verification center and get paid. So as you can see in here, you can also control how you sell. Ask or an ask lets you select the price you'd like to sell for your item, and if you have the lowest ask, buyers who place a matching bid will automatically buy from you. So looking for a faster solution, we could go ahead and sell now the product page to sell your item on the spot to the highest bid. So you can level up as well and enjoy the different benefits since these are if you're selling a new purchase, growing a business, or creating a side hustle, they have developed an intelligent global marketplace that will work with anyone. So there are 5 levels for that: the sales required, also in here the transaction fee, and the rewards and advanced features that it offers. So you could learn more about that, and you could also catch up with the latest developments that they offer here. And there are also some testimonies or real stories from different sellers. So you can see the facts and help in here. And for us to be able to get started, we're gonna go ahead and click on the get started in here to sign up an account as in seller. Now for the first step in getting started in here is to find the product that you're looking for to continue. So for example, we're trying to sell some sneakers. We're gonna go ahead and try to search for that in here, sneakers, and as you can see there are different results in here. So we're gonna go ahead and click onto this arrow and find in the sneakers that we're looking for to sell. And since we're not yet log in or sign up in here, we'll do a quick sign up for here and here first onto the upper part so that we could proceed for this. So we'll just have to click on to sign up in here. And I have gone ahead and already sign up, and as you can see we're back here onto the sneakers. We're gonna choose which one we would like to sell. So as you can see, you could see the lowest ask also in here, so I think we could opt for this one, the Jordan 1 mid sneakers school game winner Chiaz, and it is $49 onto its lowest ask. So if you click onto that, you should get redirected on in here. So as you can see, you'll have the details in here, and you can see the size in here. So if you want to go ahead and try to sell this product, you should be able to see this option in here to sell it. So if you would like to buy it, you should click on to buy for $49 in here. You could place a bid for that. And if you want to go ahead and sell it, you'll have to click on to sell for $52 in here, or you could ask for more. So we could go ahead and click onto that one in here so that you could see how it works. So this is how it works onto selling the item. So first is we can list the item, sell now at the highest bid, or set and ask for the price that you want to sell an item for. Now for shipment, it will be shipped, or it will ship your item within 2 business days, and then they authenticate and they will ship it to the buyer, and then it get paid. It will release your payout as soon as your item passes. So here is the seller cancellation penalty as well. In order to ensure the integrity of the marketplace, a fee equivalent to $15 of the transaction price with a minimum charge of $15 or local currency equivalent will be assessed to your account if you fail to ship your item within 2 business days, or if the item received does not pass the verification. So it is more like for its security. So we go ahead and click onto I understand so that I would go ahead directly. So as you can see in here, right after that, we need to choose onto which size are you trying to sell. So For example, in here, you're trying to sell for the size of US 3.5. So there are different corresponding prices onto each size. So I'll just have to click onto that, onto which one, and then right after, you could choose if you want to go ahead and place ask for this or sell now. So for place ask, just like what we mentioned earlier, you will wait for the highest bid for this, and since we're selling it now, so you're about to sell it at the highest bidding price of $29. So you could enter your billing method in here, add in a return address for this, and a discount code, so you could add it in here. And also, payout method is currently not active in here since we just recently created our account. So you must have an active payout method on file to sell an item. And to add a payout method, you'll just have to click onto edit. When finished, return to the screen and click update to continue. And you should be able to see the total payout in here, which is 22.83. Now, if you click onto next, so we need to provide in here the billing info. So we need to add in our first name, last name in here, the country that we're currently in, also the address, address 1 and address 2, the city, state, province, region, postal code, and your phone number in here, and just click onto next. And then right after that, you'll just need to submit your billing info as well in here, and you'll just need to add in your credit or debit card in here to submit your card. And those just are basically the steps onto placing your item onto a sell. So right after that, to properly ship your items, there is also a guide onto StockX for that one. So as you can see in here, if you have already a buyer on StockX and it decided to purchase your item, so this is actually the guide for you to get started. So for the first thing in here is you need to place your invoice inside the shoebox or envelope with the product. So for example, we have gone ahead and already find a buyer onto the shoes that we tried to sell. So you get the invoice inside the shoebox or envelope with the product. Now, you need to place your item into a bigger and sufficiently sized shipping box. So as a general rule, the box should be no bigger than 2 inches or 5 centimeters on either side of your shoebox. So you need to use bubble wrap as well or shipping paper to ensure that the item is secure in the box while it is in transit, and properly tape and secure the shipping box using the H method. So it should look like this. So seal packages across the side flaps and the seams on the top and bottom of the shipping box using the 6-strip H method with strong packing tape. So do not use masking tape, cellophane tape, duct tape, string, or paper overwrap to secure the package. And also tape or insert the provided shipping label to the outside of the shipping box. So it should look like this, and that's just basically it. Your safe and secure box is now ready to ship. Easy as that. Now, just a friendly reminder as well, below is a list of things not to do when shipping your item. So do not send a box with any personal items from the shoe box or shipping box, and you would be surprised by the different things that they get. So please do make sure that you refrain from doing so. So do not tape also the shipping label directly onto the shoebox for that, and do not tape up and send only the shoebox. So do not send your Snickers in a box too big as well with no bubble wrap or packing paper, since this will happen to that. And do not send a box with hazmat stickers on it, and do not use a shipping box that is too small. Also, do not send us a shoebox in an envelope. Also, do not send a package without attaching the shipping label, and also do not send a shoes without a shoebox. Do not send a fragile item with zero packing paper, and do not send an item in a box of cereal. So those are just the different things that you need to take a note of when properly shipping your items onto StockX. And those just basically it, the basic guide onto selling onto StockX. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.